In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Widevine DRM in the Brave browser. If you've tried streaming services or certain video sites in Brave and ran into messages about protected content, you probably need to enable DRM. DRM stands for Digital Rights Management, and Widevine is the technology many sites use to securely deliver movies, TV shows, and other premium media. Turning this on in Brave is quick, safe, and reversible, and it only takes a minute. First, open Brave and head into Settings. You'll find Settings by clicking the menu in the top right corner of the browser, the icon with 3 lines or 3 dots, then choosing Settings from the list. This is your control center for how Brave behaves, so we'll use it to enable the decoder that handles protected content. Once you're in Settings, use the search bar at the top to save time, type DRM or Widevine and let Brave filter the options for you. If you prefer to browse manually, look for extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. You can also reach the same page by visiting the extension settings directly. Depending on your version of Brave, the wording in this area can vary slightly, but you're looking for something called Widevine Content Decryption Module or a similarly named option related to DRM or protected content. When you find Widevine Content Decryption Module, turn it on. You'll know it's enabled when the switch moves to the on position and turns blue. If it's already on, you're all set and don't need to change anything. Enabling this module allows Brave to decrypt and play licensed videos in your browser while keeping security in mind. After you toggle it on, Brave will prompt you to relaunch so the change takes effect. Click the relaunch button that appears. Brave will close and reopen, and your tabs should come back just as you left them. If you have any important work in progress, give it a moment to save before relaunching, then let the browser restart cleanly. That's it. With DRM enabled, sites that rely on Widevine should now play their content normally. If you still see issues, check that you're on the latest version of Brave and confirm that the setting remained on after the relaunch. Keep in mind, some sites may also require you to refresh the page after the restart. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get your videos playing smoothly in Brave, consider sharing it with someone who might need the same quick fix, and I'll see you in the next one.